Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Another beautiful day. Today we're going to go for another walk in the woods. Today we're going to follow the railroad bed that crosses Lebanon Valley Reservoir. We're going to go the opposite direction. Basically, this is just a footpath. We're going to see what kind of wildlife we can find today. Come along with us today as we enjoy a beautiful walk down an abandoned railroad. It's very beautiful back here. There's a gate on the railroad bed. I probably only walked about a half a mile. Let's see what this sign says. There's another road switch back into the bottom. That's where I came from. I probably didn't even walk a half a mile. Here's the gate. Let's see what this sign says. It's probably posted. Nope. If you notice a problem, call the City of Lebanon Water Plant Authority. City of Lebanon Authority, water management since 1935. Well, that's promising. Anytime I see a gate, there's usually purple paint on it or near it where it's covered in posted signs. It's very beautiful in here. It's very relaxing. I don't think I'll run into anybody today. Saw a couple squirrels. There's a small button buck out on the trail. You can hear the woods robins in the back. You just imagine the old train engine going through this valley, blowing the whistle, hearing it echo down across the valley. So cool in here. Smells like a giant air freshener. It smells so good in here. You can smell the hemlocks. There's so many trails to hike in Pennsylvania, and a lot of them I find are not on a Purple Lizard map. I just like to go out and explore. I don't use all trails. I only use Google Earth to get me in a location, figure out how to get in there. And the rest I'll just like to find out and enjoy the adventure. I see another gate down here. This might be the end of the trail. Let's take a look down here, see what this says. There's a lot of coal mining activity back in Jeff Swamp. And some of these roads go way back in there. This is supposed to be the largest section of undisturbed wilderness in the southeast of Pennsylvania. It's supposed to go all the way back to the interstate. And some people actually come in from the other side. There's a lot of roads back in there. There's a posted sign on that gate. We'll just head back the way we came. I'm not sure where the water authority's property ends, but I'm definitely still in a railroad bed. I'm not sure how far down there it goes. We'll have to explore that a little further on another video. See if we can find the other end of this railroad bed. We'll have to explore that in another adventure and see if that goes over to Swatera. There's actually a posted sign here on this tray. There are no posted signs here. There's only a few on the right. Walking in, another squirrel. Wanted to see if it was another deer. And there's a lot of posted property down there. So I'm not sure if the public land ends at the gate. It might be the edge of the property where the water authority is. There's a couple squirrels up there. Hungry squirrels. There's a road down to the left. So I'm going to head back up the railroad bed. No other wildlife sightings. You can let me know down in the comment section how much of this is public property and how far I can walk down. The only electronic device I have on me is my Garmin. I don't have Onyx Maps, which is a hunting map. It can tell you whose property you're on if your phone has 2 bars. And you can also download maps. It's very similar to All Trails, which is another great app for your phone. But unfortunately, I don't use any of those. I have boots on the ground. That's how I usually find all these trails. Usually I'll do I'll do some recon, and then I'll write it down in my notebook for videos. And then later on, I'll take some vacation time and I'll go back and check out that spot. So there's a gate up here. So hopefully you enjoyed this short video. As always, give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. Hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. And as always, thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. We'll see you on the next video.